Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Epic Games email address without verification. So let's say you don't have access to the email address which was linked with your Epic Games and you want to change it. Now let me show you how you guys can do that. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Epic Games. Once you search for Epic Games, where it says Epic Games Store, click on it. Once you do that, it'll take you to the official website of Epic Games. Now, once you're over here on the official website of Epic Games, make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged in into your account, so I'm already logged in like this, what you want to do is on the top of your browser, you can see en/us/. You want to just remove this, alright? Once you remove that, instead of that, write help. Once you write help, search for it. Once you search for it, it'll bring you to this page. And once you scroll a bit down, you can see accounts. Under accounts, you can see Epic Games Store. Click on it. Once you do that, it'll bring you over here. Once you're over here, scroll all the way down and click on contact us. Once you click on contact us, wait for some time. It'll show you some methods. Once you're over here, scroll all the way down and click on start a live chat. Once you click on start a live chat, what you want to do is on the live chat, you want to write this: I can't access my current email address and would like to change it. Please kindly assist me. Once you write this on the chat, somebody from like Epic Games team will contact you and they're going to reply you like this: are you referring to the account you're contacting us from? So once it writes this, or once it writes anything, you can chat with the, staff of Epic Games and they'll help you fix a problem. So right now I don't want to fix this, so I'm just going to write, sorry, my problem is fixed. Thank you. Now my problem is fixed, but your problem is not going to fix, so talk with them and they'll help you fix it. Alright? So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step, and bye bye.